the area of the closed region bounded by y equal to x square and x is equal to y square. So here now we know that the area of closed region is equal to double integration over the closed region D dA. So now first we want to draw this closed region. So for that, given y equal to x square and x is equal to y square implies y square is equal to x raised to 4 and x is equal to y square. Okay, now if you put the value of y square is equal to x raised to 4, then we get, if we substitute this value here, we get x is equal to x raised to 4. If we simplify this, then it is x raised to 4 minus x is equal to 0. This implies if we take x outside, it is x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 0 and x cube is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So now x is equal to 0 implies y equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 implies y equal to 1. If you put this value in any one of these equation, then you can calculate easily the value of y. So here our closed region is bounded between, that is intersecting points are 0 0 and 1 1. Now first we want to draw this y equal to x square. We know that this is the equation of parabola symmetric with respect to y axis. So if we consider some point, say here x y, x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 1, x is equal to minus 1, y is 1, x is 2, then 2 square is 4, and x is equal to minus 2, then it is equal to again 4. Similarly, if we consider here x is equal to y square, then again this is an equation of parabola symmetric with respect to x axis. So it is xy, x0, y0. If y is 1, x is 1, y is minus 1, x is 1, y is 2, then x is 4. If y is minus 2, then x is 4. So by using this information, you can easily draw easily identify the closed region bounded by y equal to x square and x is equal to y square. Say here it is 1 2 3, say 4, and minus 1 minus 2, here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, say here it is minus 4, 1 2, say 3 and 4. Okay, so the first point is 0 0 1 1 1 minus 1 1, so 0 0 1 1, then minus 1 1. For minus 2 it is 4, and for 2 it is again 4. So if we join this point, who is the different color, say similarly, for x is equal to y square, the first point is 0 0 1 1, then 1 minus 1, then minus 2 it is 4, for 2 it is again what, 4. So if we join this point, take different color, okay. Now you can see here, this is the closed region, okay. So this is a closed region bounded by y equal to x square and x is equal to what? Y square. Now we know that this is what? Y equal to x square and this is what? X is equal to y square. Now to cover this area we are going to find lower and upper limit of x and y. Consider a vertical strip. It enters at what is this? At this strip touches at first at y equal to x square. So lower limit is what? Y equal to x square, and it leaves at, say here, y is equal to what is this? X is equal to y square implies y is equal to what? Square root x. Y is equal to square root x, and such a strip we are going to put from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1, and therefore limits are 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and x square less than or equal to y less than or equal to square root of x. So now the area is equal to double integration over the closed region D dA is equal to the limit of x is 0 to 1 and limit of y is x square to square root of x dy dx. So now the integration of dy is 0 to 1, integration of dy is y from x square to square root of x dx. You put the upper and lower limit, then it is equal to integration 0 to 1 square root of x minus x square dx. This is same as 0 to 1 x raised to 1 by 2 minus x square dx. Now the integration of x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1, and integration of x square is x cube by 3, and the limit is from 0 to 1. For lower limit the value of inside the bracket is 0. For upper limit it is equal to 1 divided by 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So answer is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to what? 1 by 3. So the area of the closed region bounded by y equal to x square and x is equal to y square is what? 1 by 3. Now we are going to verify this by using maxima also. So here integrate again using the command integrate the given function. Now to find the area we consider f of xy is equal to 1. Now limit of y is x square to square root of x. Lower limit is x square, upper limit is square root of x, and the limit of x is 0 to 1. So now you can check here, integration is the value of this double integration is equal to 1 by 3, and here also the value of the integration is equal to what? 1 by 3. Now you can also plot this given region, plot 2D. Okay, it is equal to say x square. First we draw x square from in the variable x, and from minus 2 to plus 2, then now you can check here, this is the graph of y equal to x square between minus 2 to plus 2. Similarly you can draw the graph square root of, on the same axis you can draw the square root of x from minus 2 to plus 2. Now you enter here, if we first want to close this. Now you can see here, so this is the I'm closing here. So again we can check Okay, so this red line represent y is equal to square root, graph of y equal to square root x, and this blue line for y equal to x square, and this is the area, this is the closed region bounded by y equal to square root x and y equal to x square. You can see, and this region is bounded between the point 0 0 and 1 1. Okay, thank you.